With the number of COVID-19 cases also increasing globally, the World Health Organization advises governments to adjust their pandemic response to the needs of the current situation. The organization urges countries to ramp up respective vaccination drives, particularly for booster shots. Mark Vitalco has the details.
Globally, the number of new weekly COVID-19 cases increased for the fifth consecutive week. According to the World Health Organization, over 5.7 million new cases were reported from July 4 to 10, a 6% increase compared to the previous week. The Emergency Committee on COVID-19 of the WHO said the subvariants of Omicron like BA.4 and BA.5 continue to drive up cases in many countries, including the Philippines. According to WHO Director General Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus, the reduction in testing and sequencing has affected the experts' assessment on the impact of variants in transmission. With this, the WHO concluded that the virus remains a public health emergency.
I'm concerned that cases of COVID-19 continue to rise, putting further pressure on stretched health systems and health workers, and also concerned about the increasing trend of deaths. New waves of the virus demonstrate again that the COVID-19 is nowhere near over.
For infectious disease expert Dr. Exet Salvania, despite the rising cases, the mask mandate has helped keep the COVID-19 situation in the country under control. However, he asserted that the COVID-19 transmission will continue if many Filipinos remain unvaccinated or not boosted.
Bagamat sa ngayon, nananatili naman yung protection against severe disease, napaka-efficient rin kasi nung pag-transmit sa ngayon, lalong-lalo na sa mga bansa na nagtanggal na ng mask. So right now, until we get these updated vaccines, siguro the best thing to do talaga is manatiling ginagamit yung mask para maka-interrupt tayo ng transmission.
The WHO urged governments to adjust their COVID-19 response plans to the status quo of their localities and ramp up vaccination, particularly boosters.
Vaccines have saved millions of lives, and it's important for governments to focus on boosting those most at-risk communities, finding the unvaccinated so as to build up the wall of immunity toward the 70% vaccination target.
Meanwhile, the Octa Research Group reported the positivity rate in Metro Manila increased to 11.5%. Mark Vitalco for The Nation.